Hello, welcome to my blooming TV. Today I'm going to be doing a quick garden update, and we are going to be using some freshly harvested romaine to show you a very quick Caesar salad recipe. So I'm going to show you how I harvested this romaine and then just do a quick run through the garden, and we'll be back here to put this salad together ready in no time at all. If today's your first time joining me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So this is the basil. As you can see, it's still growing. And then here I have the mint and the spearmint, more basil here, and cilantro. I'm going to show you how to freeze, how you can freeze your herbs. And here I have sage. I think that is sage. And then there's some rosemary coming. We have the eggplants here, and here we have the zucchini. So there's tons of zucchini growing. If you can show the, I had to put tomato cages in them so that I can keep them upright. And so I don't know if you'll be able to see them now. There are some yellow ones growing in there. I'm just going to take some of the leaves out to show it to you. Maybe you can come this way. So it's pretty hidden in there. So I'll be showing you as they grow bigger. There's a big one in there. So, but it's so hidden, it's hard to see it. Yeah, so we can see there's lots. Then over here too, there's still more zucchini growing in there. So it's really, the leaves are so big. So hopefully I will show you when they are a little bit more matured and older. And over here I have the watermelons. They are doing beautifully well as well. I have decided I'm not going to stake them, but I just put my extra cage here. And then at the back here we have the cucumbers. So I have put a lot of stakes here, and so there's tons of cucumbers growing here as well. Like you see some on the flower here. Yeah, so there is cucumber everywhere. So all here we have quite a few growing everywhere in there. So hopefully I'll be able to show you as they get bigger. So you see these flowers here too, there are cucumbers there. So hopefully I'll be able to show you as they get bigger what it's gonna look like. So these are the peas. Remember I planted the purple ones and the green. So you can see it's coming. So there's a lot of peas coming up, and then the green ones are just coming up here. So we have quite a few of them. So all these, we have peas everywhere at the back there. And then the beets are ready too. They are matured. I just haven't harvested them yet. So I will show you what I'm going to be doing with them. So maybe I'll just pull one to show you. So I normally like to put beets in my smoothies, and you can also cook them. It's really healthy. Some people say they eat the grains. I've never really tried that before. They said they saute it, but I mostly just eat the roots. And here we have the cabbage still growing. And then I planted peppers, and I got some tomato plants. So I guess there was some tomato seeds in it. And so I have 2 tomato plants here growing. And then the other peppers I moved. And here we have the romaine. So you can see how you see when you harvest it, just cut it, and then it's going to continue to grow and produce for you. So today I'm going to be harvesting this one here. We're going to be making a big bowl of Caesar salad. So I'll do that in a moment. And here I have my pepper plants. So I planted a lot of pepper seeds, but this is the one that matured fully. And so what I did, I transplanted, some of them were hiding under the cabbage, so I transplanted them out here and into my other beds there. And carrot is still going. I put some eggshells as a natural fertilizer for the carrots. I also put some into the watermelon bed, so that will help them get nutrients. And then lastly here I have my potatoes. They are starting to dry. So here I have my potatoes. As you can see, they are starting to dry out, so we're going to wait for it to be completely dried, and then that way you know it's ready for harvest. There's one showing here on top of the soil. There's a potato there. Yeah, so we're just, and then my scallions are still there. I'm going to keep harvesting and just leave the onion parts to continue to grow. And there's some of my pepper plants I transplanted this morning here, and I also planted this celery I put in water, and then those are the leeks I transplanted in the other video. You can see they are all growing well. So when you buy leeks a few times, then you don't need to buy anymore. Yeah, and then for the kale and the other ones, I will show you a video of when I'm harvesting and preserving them. So I'm just going to stop this one here, and then we're going to go over now, harvest the romaine, and I'm going to show you a very quick, easy salad. I'm sure you already know how to do this, but we're just going to show you eating from garden to table. Welcome back. So I went ahead to harvest a little bit more beets. I'm just going to be cooking that and having that for my snacks later. So I will show you a clip. Maybe I'll just insert it here now for you to see. So I just washed it, put some lemon juice, and then I'm going to cook that. The time for cooking depends on the size of your beets. Just keep checking on it. When it's soft, you know it's ready. So you can check online for the health benefit of beets. For my Caesar today, I have rinsed the romaine we just harvested. I'm going to be using Italian Parmesan, Caesar dressing, some croutons, and bacon bits. Feel free to add anything you want. You can even add like seeds, chicken, and whatever you want to your Caesar salad. This is just a really quick, easy recipe. Have it. Our Caesar salad is ready. The beets are almost ready. I'm just going to insert a video in the link here. So I cooked them with the skin on, with a little bit of lemon juice, and then I'm just going to peel that when it's done, cut it up, and then use that for my snack. That is an excellent healthy snack you can have. Give this recipe a try, and if you haven't started gardening this year, I encourage you to do so. Don't forget now to like, share, subscribe. Until next time when I bring you another awesome video, have a blessed and wonderful day.